Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with 3 VRs. You guys, these are amazing challenges, and of course it is to support our crafting friends here, you guys. And of course they have been so active in the crafting community. I wanted to show them some support. My first one is for Carrie's Crafts. You guys, if you guys don't know Carrie, oh my gosh, she is basically all last year she was basically doing a giveaway each week, and oh my goodness, so wow. That's why I could say wow. So so all she is asking is for an ATC card. You guys, if you guys don't know what an ATC card is, just basically a artist trading card that is about 3.5 by 2.5, a card that is designed your own way, and I'm trying to find one so I can show you guys, but that's all she's asking for. So you guys, her challenge does end on the 31st of the month, and of this month of January, and this is what an ATC looks like. So that is one of my ATCs that I will be sending out, and all she just wants your name, your birthday address, and anything you like in the back of the card. So that is one. My second one is for craft butterfly fairies. That is Miriam. I do apologize. And of course it is a birthday challenge. Hers is also due on the 31st of January. I will link the ladies down on the description below, so you guys could go check each and every one out. So there is a few rules for her, and as well, you know, go to her channel and basically I'll link the challenge on the description below, you guys, so you guys could go check it out. I mean, it's hard when you're doing your own, you know, challenge. It's hard enough to remember what you have to say, so I would, you know, rather you guys go over and show her some love and support, and hopefully join her challenge as well. And also I have Maria Reyes. She is having a double celebration giveaway. Hers is a 500 subscriber, and all she's asking for that one is flat mail. Again, I will also link her channel down or her challenge down on the description below. And the other one is a ATC and a handmade card, I believe her with an envelope, a stamped envelope. So you guys, yeah, so I will link everybody down on the description below. You guys go over, show them some love and support, and thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.